In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos over your video in CapCut. So, if you want to create an overlay effect where you have a video in the background and a photo on top, this is exactly how to do it. First, open CapCut and click on Create Project. Next, import the video you want to use as the background. Drag the video into your timeline. Now that your video is in place, click on Media in the top left corner. Select Import. Then click Upload and choose the image you want to add over your video. Once the image has been imported, drag it onto the timeline. Make sure you place the image on a track above your video. As soon as you do that, the image will appear on top of the video. If the image fills the entire screen, use the scale option on the right-hand side to reduce its size. You can then drag the image to any position on the screen. If needed, drag the edges of the image clip to adjust how long it stays visible. You can also trim the video in the same way. Once you're happy with the result, click Export to save your video. And that's how to add photos over a video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below.